So now let's just talk about the one last aspect of the visualization, like the intelligent agent level. So intelligent agent level is basically the interactions and the interoperability between different robots and different parts of the warehouse. Notice that whatever is in the IA or the intelligent agent is also inside the warehouse level. Just that the warehouse level does not talk about interactions between robots. It talks about robot performance inside the warehouse. So this is just another way of bifurcating information. So here you have an interoperability curve, which is like the most important aspect of the intelligent agents. Basically, how two different robots up are performing with each other. So this is like I used like a sunburst diagram to represent this information. So it's like robot 2 and conveyor belt 2. So and it's like a one-way stream. There might be tasks where robot 2 needs robot conveyor belt 2, and there might be tasks that conveyor belt 2 needs robot 2. It's not gonna happen at this, it may or may not happen um, for the same exact number of tasks. So that's why the numbers are different. So like the dependence on conveyor belt 2 on conveyor belt 2 on robot 2 is like 194, and the vice versa is 563. And there's a legend provided for you to quickly skim through all the entities present inside this dashboard, this sunburst. The reason behind this is there might be color overlaps. So in order to read things properly, it's better to read it through legends. Also, I think it's easier to read horizontal text than to read text on an inclined surface. That's why there's a legend over here. The legend will obviously increase if I increase the ear size. That's because over the years there are more robots, there are more stations, and there are more belts, or there are more robotic arms which have interacted with each other compared to monthly or compared to say weekly, which basically is the basis of this. Apart from this, there is more information on the activity of these robots. You can actually see more robots over here, like add them. I can check more information on the robotic belt. Here you are checking out the performance. I mean, the performance is same as what we checked in the warehouse level. So again, you see the same entity information. So that's why it's like I was saying why this robot is important. So this robotic belt is actually going to station 1, and it's coming back from conveyor belt 7. Activity hours, total active hours is basically how long the robot has been working continuously. Uh, the longer the robot works, the less efficient the robot is. So basically, it is spending more time doing a task, which it should be doing in a lesser amount of time. So the total active hours is also like slightly dependent on how performant that robot is. This information could also be updated by hitting the update button, and it'll query the server again to see if there's much changes in the information. Again, you have different things like the highlighted stakeholders. You can highlight more stakeholders if they are present. So in this case, there's no more stakeholder present. You can see he's a systems engineer. Ian is a systems engineer, and he's added some, and I have added some notes for him on like some notes have been exchanged. The notes on the intelligent agent level are basically something like if the robot is not working with robotic arm, we might want to send it for repairs or something like that. Some belt has been overloaded. Please don't add more weight. So these are like different notes which are extremely relevant to the intelligent agent level itself. You can actually check all notes and disable or enable notes based on what you actually want to see and for the entire time. So yeah, this is the intelligent agent level.